we're back at it again. This is family road trip for Christmas out to Colorado. It's supposed to be leaving right now, but we're waiting for Dominique to show up so that we can caravan. Yeah, we're gonna be staying in a cabin in Colorado for Christmas and then driving back. And it's a 12-hour drive, so that's gonna be fun. Let's see how it goes. You can't tell I'm tired. Okay, bye. You gonna be a good boy? You gonna be a good boy? Oh! Hello. So obviously we made it here. This is my room. I get my own room to myself. This is like a full-size bed, bunk bed. The top side is, I think, just a twin. You know, I slept decent. Kept waking up, having to drink tons of water because of the altitude. And obviously you can tell I'm like breathing more than usual because the air is thinner here. Almost half of my family have had some symptoms of altitude sickness. I didn't have any symptoms or anything like that. So I'm gonna give you a little show around of the house. This is where we're gonna be spending Christmas. Some of our other family that lives here in Colorado will be here to spend Christmas with us. So let's take a look. Gosh, there's a bulldog. So last night we had to park up here. The driveway is blocked off and covered in snow.
Type of shit to make you wanna. Type of shit to make you wanna let go. Type of shit to make you wanna. Type of shit to make you wanna let go.
Oh.
Oh no, I got your mother coffee. Yeah. Your mother asked first.
Yes, I know.
Honestly, since I'm wearing it.
Look at you. It's the corporate. You're looking.
I'll see you guys on the other side.
All right. With the mouth between them.
Here in the snow, guys.
Yeah. Huh?
Posted for all the world to hear, Don.
Fresh face November.
It's November.
Fresh face
December.
February. Don't do anything to your face December.
Hey.
Frizzy Friday. I don't even know what date it is. What day is it? Monday?
Wow. Cindy. Give me.
Cindy.
Give me.
What is wrong with you?
You and your
Cheeks.
cheeks.
What are you doing?
Woo!
She's so funny.
Feeling better now.
My gosh.
We are in town.
Santa Claus is coming tonight. Santa Claus is coming tonight.
Wow. Now the door is dirty. He's so fluffy.
Go.
Hello, people. Unfortunately, it's cold outside.
Yes, just a little bit.
It's actually pretty good. Huh?
Just a slight, you know, once you start walking
Yeah.
around, it's really gonna get.
No, it feels comfortable. It's better than being inside right now.
True.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm done. Yep. As I go up higher, the altitude is catching me.
What?
You know who owns this house? Henry Ford. He's actually my uncle. I didn't want to tell you Mackenzie because I didn't want to brag.
Good mom and dad.
Hey,
Hello.
there's the sun out here.
This is
Why don't we go
beautiful.
in our backyard
This is
and look at
beautiful
the
snow. Yay!
A snowball?
Wow, this is so pretty.
Do I look cute?
Yes. Like so squinty. I don't know.
Yeah.
Are you
I'm a tracker.
tracker? Sorry. I was trying to get right.
Hello.
Look, they're so cute.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's just like I'm so thankful I have this coat on now.
Are they gonna fit you?
My eyes can't compute all this white. Yeah, honestly, that's what it was. There's no depth.
White.
I have 20/20, but you know, it's a little hard to compute. These are working. So all of a sudden, the snow looks blue. I can see it now.
Yes.
I can see it now. You know what we should do? We should track, scroll these. Oh, what's these? Look at these footprints. Look at all these. I can track. You guys want to find it? I'll find it.
No, I'm good.
Okay, well, forget you two, Mackenzie. You ain't coming along for this
I think it's like a rabbit or something.
I think it might be for real. I don't think it's a moose. Moose ain't getting up that high. Second of all, let's actually take. Y'all follow me. I'll leave you guys for freedom. I don't know what I've been told.
Kenzie, you're not wearing snow pants. So, you always make that face.
Day 32 in the wilds. That's a terrible accent. Oh, watch out, watch out.
Uh-oh.
Try to outrun me? No, sir.
What the? Oh my gosh.
As fun as it looks cold.
Yes.
As fun as that looks.
That's why we stand back and laugh.
Oh.
Look at Daddy. There's their robot snowman.
Done.
That's Lustig. The snow of Colorado. Hi, buddy.
Karl, what are you doing?
I'm simply a robot moving in the snow. No, we walked at least 0.5. We walked 0.5 in car lane.
That's funny.
That doesn't make sense though when I'm using it. Sometimes I feel like I talk too much. You know?
You're not wrong.
I'm the snow meister. I was made for the snow. Yeah! Honestly, I need to talk to myself to get me through to these next 2 blocks.
What we about to do, Dom?
We're about to fly the drone.
For what?
Family pick.
Family pick? For what?
For Christmas?
To support what?
NEEK Films.
We about to fly the drone.
Said I love you. Now in this house, blood runs cold, secret codes. Oh, we know we gotta tear it all down, set it on fire, burn to the ground. It kills us just a little, but a little's alright. Oh, it ain't forever. We'll find someone who loves you better. Find someone who loves you better. Your friends always like me, but I told you that you shouldn't listen. Picking wings off of angels has always been my religion. You've been sticking round far too long, and I've been running round. And it just feels wrong. We gotta tear it all down, set it on fire, burn to the ground. It kills us just a little, but a little's alright. Oh, it ain't forever. You'll find someone.
I didn't say what you. Merry Christmas. Das ist lustig. This is Karl from Colorado.
Ich bin fertig.
Yes.
I'm done.
Ich bin Heimstein, Liechtenstein, Niner.
Baby.
Drive a Volkswagen with the Mitsubishi Mercedes. Volkswagen
Yeah, bye guys.
with the Niner.
Sunglasses, right?
Just saying whatever's German at this point. Hershey, Heineken,
Haagen-Dazs.
Hasbro's gummy bears. What's the company that makes the gummy bears? Harbo. Liechtenstein. Thank you. What does Liechtenstein mean?